Hello everyone. So today in this video we will be calculating coupon rate. So open your previous Excel file and then go to developer Visual Basics and now we'll start the function that is function for coupon rate, and it takes face value, bond price, maturity and yield to maturity. We will write everything, function coupon rate, bracket open, and then face value, comma bond price, comma maturity, and then yield to maturity, and bracket closed. You have to be very careful about the brackets, commas here, because the coupon rate formula looks little bit messy and lengthy, and have to learn it and be very careful about brackets. So we'll start the formula for the coupon rate now. So coupon rate is equals to, I'll write the formula here also, open brackets, bond price divided by face value, bracket close, minus bracket open, 1 plus yield to maturity divided by minus maturity, bracket close. So here 1 plus yield to maturity divided by minus maturity means 1 is divided by 1 plus yield to maturity to the power maturity. So it's a discounting factor for the last payment, that how much rupees one received after all year is worth today. Okay. And also we have divided the bond price for the by the face value. It shows how expensive or cheap the bond is compared to its original value. Like, say if the bond price is rupees 950 and face value is 1000, 950 divided by 1000 gives 0.95. So the bond trades at 95% of its original value, a discount bond. Now when we combine these two parts, and the difference between them tells us how much the bond is worth now relative to face value, and how much the final payment is worth today. So once the formula is completed, you check it, and now you go to your Excel file here. You just have to click write equals to, and the coupon rate formula has been created there in the developer. It will appear in the scroll box. Now open bracket and select face value, bond price, maturity, yield to maturity, bracket close, and enter. Here you will get your bond coupon rate. So this is all about today. Thank you.